Hi, this is Mihnea. In this episode of Learn Mongolian, my Mongolian friend and Olympic archer Gangtugs Jantsan will teach you how to count from 80 to 90 in Mongolian. Let's begin the lesson.
$80,
Nay,
81,
naynit,
82,
hoyor,
83,
guraw,
84,
doruw,
85,
taw,
86,
zurgaa,
87,
doloo,
88,
naym,
89,
use,
90.
year.
And that's the end of our Learn Mongolian lesson. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more. And let us know in the comment section below how far are you with your Mongolian studies. Salut! This is Mihnea. Travel more. Live life.